Hello guys, in this video we are going to have a brief overview on SharePoint. The key areas. First, what is SharePoint? SharePoint is just a web app software that helps to share data in a central point within an organization. It's just like a website which allows only the members in the organization to access. Number two, SharePoint Online and SharePoint on premises. SharePoint Online is just a cloud-based, where contrary to SharePoint on premises, which you need to have a room, have an IT team to manage the server and updates, while SharePoint Online reduce all those resources. You don't need to buy the hardware. SharePoint Online, your information is stored on the cloud, while SharePoint on premises, your information is stored on your servers. SharePoint Online, the updates and infrastructure are maintained are done by Microsoft, while SharePoint on premises is done by your IT team. Okay, let's look into team site and communication site. Let's show you how it look like different between team site and communication site. When you want to access the SharePoint on your Office 365 homepage, you click on the SharePoint app. Then click on the create sites. So here it will give you two options: team sites and communication sites. Team sites is just a collaborative site. It shares documents, have conversation in team, keep track of events, manage tasks, and more with site connected to Office 365 groups. For example, you can have Office 365. You say that this group, only members from this group is going to collaborate on this site. So this site, it has these permissions, while the communication site is just to inform people in the organization or the specified people in the organization. It's just publish dynamic, beautiful content to people in the organization to keep them informed and engaged in topics, events, or projects. Let's look to another point. Let's look on header, body, footer, page. A SharePoint or an intranet is just the same, like it's just the same like a normal website, where it also contains a header, a body, and a footer. So let's look how it look like. For example, let's create a communication site. This communication site, let's call it Bravo Tech Demo Intranet. Site description, you can say this is our company intranet, English, and click finish. You can choose the design that you want. You can have a showcase one, the black one. Let's go with topic and click finish. So after it has finished, so let's look at here you have the header, your header, just the normal way it has now. This is the nav bar like of the normal website. It has home. You can customize your number the way you want. The name it's here. By customizing your header, you can click here. You can add, for example, let me add about after the home, about us. Then you can add a link to this page. So for now we have not created a page, so let's just keep it aside there. Okay. Then click save. Yeah, it has added here a body. Because we have chosen a design for topic, so it will populate for us some things. But when you choose a blank one, it will be just blank. Let's delete everything so that we can understand more. Header, body. Delete. I shall show you later how I'm doing this, so don't worry. Okay, here we are. So this is the header, and this is the body, and this is the footer. When you look at the footer, you can edit the way your footer wants to be. So for example, you can say like, let's say this is Tech art copyright at 2020, then save. It will just add there. In the body, a body, it has sections. This is how to add a section. To add a section, you can click that. When you want your section, for example, let's look one column. So this is a section you have added. A section is just like a row in a website. So when you click on the section, create section, you can add column. The more you want, you can edit section. Then you can add, for example, one and a third right. Okay. You can have different columns. So let's go with one column. And another part is web part. A web part is just what you want the site to display in the body. So when you want to add a web part, you click on this add web part. For example, you want to add an image, click an image, and then you can upload your image from a computer. Then add an image. I've already added an image. We shall learn on different web parts and how to use later in the topic. By clicking that, you can save as draft or you can publish it. So here we are. We have only created one image. So that is what's contained in the body. Body contains a section. Body content, this is a section. You can add more section as you want, a column and a web part. And that's all about the body. Thank you and bye.